here with Steve Hosking, product specialist with AGCO Corporation. Steve, what's the connection between you and the Cellulosic Sugar Producers Co-operative?
Well, AGCO's worked very extensively in the States with the biomass industry. DuPont Industries runs exclusively with our equipment, and they have approximately 150 of our balers running throughout the United States, baling up wheat stubble, corn stover. So we're very attuned as to what these folks are trying to achieve here. And of course, we all know with the increase in residue that we're getting from our crop yields, and we will hit 300 bushel corn. I'm sure it's just going to get worse. So we're happy to be a part of this, and we think it's a great idea that's the community is ready to welcome.
With the type of equipment you provide, obviously one of the concerns about farmers when they bring equipment in the field is soil compaction. Is your equipment designed to address that issue?
Oh, sure. All our equipment's coming with radial tires, which of course you can deflate the tires so that you spread out that footprint and look after compaction.
Corn stover is a very heavy material for baling. Is your baling equipment designed to handle that heavy material?
Absolutely. The 217XD was developed specifically for that industry, and that's why we're a forerunner with DuPont there. They've tried everybody, and Heston, of course, which is our baler, AGCO's baler, we actually came out with the first big square baler. So we've got a lot of experience with big square balers.
What's the next step with the connection with the cellulosic sugar producers? Is to get enough acreage on hand to do the baling, and then is there a lot of equipment involved to do that in a very efficient way?
Well, of course, we're not just talking balers. You're going to need something to windrow the product. And, of course, you're going to have tractors with enough horsepower to operate to these things. But and there will also be guys that gather those bales up. So there's equipment like stackers and things that will put the product on the trucks to deliver them to the factory. So there's probably 4 main pieces of equipment there that you're going to need, and 5, I guess, if you're going to include the hauler.